This is the new XGT 40 volt max brushless blower from Makita. Big points of difference in performance when you're comparing blowers is air speed and air volume, and in both those categories, this blower absolutely stomps Makita's 18 volt and 36 volt alternatives. When it comes to air speed, it tops out at 230 kilometers an hour. That's 17% more than the 36 volt, 20% more than the 18 volt. And when it comes to volume, this blower turns over 16 cubic meters of air every minute. That's again 17% more than the 36 volt, 20% more than the 18. Another interesting comparison with the 36 volt is that how much more power it produces when it's lighter as well. It's got a really nice variable speed trigger with loads of control, and you'll feel a click in that trigger towards the top from max speed up to turbo. You can engage cruise control to rest your trigger finger. That locks it in at max speed. You can still squeeze the trigger while cruise control is engaged to get a little bit of extra burst. Now, if you run it at absolute full tilt continuously, you'll get 8.5 minutes of runtime off the smallest 2.5 amp hour battery. Of course, you'll get better performance with the larger 4 or 5 amp hour battery, but with the output of this blower, you're not going to run at full tilt the whole time either, so you're going to get much better performance than 8.5 minutes. And with the Australian release, they've included a couple of extensions and a couple of different tips as well, including that wide tip, which is great for getting up and under the leaves. It's a big step up in performance. This blower is heavy duty, much like the rest of the XGT range, and they're all available now at Sydney Tools and at sydneytools.com.au if you're shopping online. If you've got any questions about this blower, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.